If you have a dirty interior, it can be pretty intimidating to get that clean. We're just gonna be showing you a couple of tips to make that process quicker and easier. Before we start getting into the actual cleaning of the surface, we're going to use some bags to help organize everything as we pull it out of the car. If you are doing this for someone else, I would recommend not actually throwing anything away. If you're doing this for your own car, then you can obviously throw away anything you do not want to keep. The decluttering process with the bags just provides a quick way to organize any loose objects without making it a huge task. Next, we're ready to begin the vacuuming process. When vacuuming the seams, it is always recommended to pull them apart to ensure the vacuum can reach the deepest parts of the seams. For this interior detail, we're going to be using our interior cleaner. One of the great things about this product is it can be used on any interior surface, from plastic, vinyl, to the LCD screens, any cloth or carpet. It'll work great, help lift any stains, and make the process a lot easier and quicker. The detailing brush we're using helps to clean stains through agitation with its soft bristles. This is great because it helps to remove the stains without risking damaging the surface. So the last thing we're going to do on this car is the glass. When you're doing that, you want to make sure you're using the low pile side of the microfiber towel or a specific glass towel. We're going to spray our interior cleaner directly onto the towel and then apply it on the outside and then work inside and flip the towel and buff off. If you're using the glass towel, it'll be the same exact process. So now we deep clean the interior of the car. Remember, you don't need a ton of products to get that job done. If you found this video useful, like or subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below letting us know any other tips or tricks you'd like to know. Thanks for watching.